And now I'm stargazing. Used to aim for the stars, but I've been scarred lately. Taking keys, stealing cars, we just some lost babies. Live too fast, now I'm grown. Excuses in my head, I ain't thinking I'm wrong.
Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title of today's video, it's a haul. Surprise, surprise. And it's our favorite kind of haul, you guys. I'm like the unofficial Dior spokeswoman, and it's a Dior haul. So it's gonna be all Dior today. That's all the items that I'm gonna be showing you, and I'm super duper excited. So you guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into today's video. But first, let me give a huge shout out to today's sponsor, Dossier, you guys. I have been working with this brand for a really long time, going on a year now, I believe. And I absolutely love this company. So Dossier is a fragrance brand. They're very popular. I'm sure you've seen them online. And essentially they take your favorite fragrances and literally put them in a much more simplified bottle and take off the label and send them to you for less. Who does not love that? So today for fragrances from Dossier, I'm going to be sharing with you one that I'm super excited to try. So this is Tom Ford's Effing Fabulous. And I think that title is very appropriate for this haul because the haul is gonna be effing fabulous. I never liked the original Effing Fabulous by Tom Ford, but I would definitely say if you are a lover of Tom Ford, that kind of more dark and musky scent, you will really like this. But before you go out and spend $500 on a 1.7 ounce bottle of perfume, be sure to try it from Dossier first. I guarantee you won't be disappointed, you guys. I will leave all the info for this fragrance down in the description box below, as well as my discount code and all of that good stuff. But yeah, how gorgeous and simple is the bottle, and it smells really good. Like I said, if you are a fan of Effing Fabulous by Tom Ford or any of Tom Ford's other more like dark or muskier scents, you will definitely love this fragrance. So yeah, be sure to check out Dossier, you guys. And then of course, last but not least, one of my favorite things about Dossier, they always send you this little mini atomizer full of fragrance. So if you're going on vacation or traveling or want to pack it in your overnight bag, you know, this is perfect for that. Alrighty, you guys, well, let's go ahead and get into the haul. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you love all of these items as much as I love sharing with them. As much as I love sharing them with you. What would a video from Bree be without like a misspeak? Who knows? Who would I be? But anyways, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. I post videos twice a week, every Wednesday and every Sunday, typically. And also follow me on Instagram at Bree Carmore, all one word, all spelled out. I love you so much, and I'll see you in the video. Okay, you guys, so first things first, per usual, it is a pair of earrings. And all of the stuff I'm going to be showing you is new season Dior. So a pair of Dior earrings comes in this cute little white box. And of course, I had to wear them for the video. So these are these amazing pair of Dior earrings, you guys. These are the Dior Tribalis or Tribalis earrings, however you pronounce it. Is that a feather? It is. I am completely obsessed with these earrings, you guys. I think they're so elegant. So they got the little pearl and then the CD with all the crystals. I'm completely obsessed. Okay, so next up from Dior, I am super excited about these next couple of pieces I'm going to show you. So I'm actually going to start with, what do I want to start with? Okay, we'll just start with what's on top. So, gorgeous Dior box with that gold lettering. And I actually have already worn this one. So out of the two items I'm going to be showing you, this is the one that I've already worn. It's the only one I've already worn. I'm just going to go ahead and show it to you in the box so you can see. So if you remember, In my last video, I did mention that Dior had come out with this like Dubai exclusive capsule, and I actually got the D-Way sandals. I'll pop those right here so you can see them. And after I got those, I just knew that I could not be stopped and that I would need like almost every piece from this collection. Well, not almost every, you know, we got to get our lives together here, but I knew that I definitely wanted this piece. And how gorgeous is this? So if you don't know what this is the Christian Dior, I believe it's spring and summer 2021, and it is the Dubai gold capsule. So let me give you some close-ups. Okay, so take her out of her packaging, and so this is what she looks like. So it's absolutely stunning. And it's actually not as gold. It's not showing up on camera as gold as it truly is, but I'll try to give you a lot of close-up shots because you guys, this bag is TDF. So this is the vanity case from Christian Dior. Like I said, it is their spring and summer 21 Dubai capsule, the gold capsule. And it's literally fully embroidered, you guys. And it's got all these amazing like ribbons of colors. It's just absolutely amazing. We always have to pose together. I'm obsessed with this bag. Okay, so going in order, next up, well actually this is not going in order. I just got these very recently. I'm just such a liar, sorry guys. So another white and gold Dior box. So it is a pair of shoes. So in here, you've got your receipts. And I did order these online, so receipts in there, and then of course, gorgeous dust bags. Love, love, love Dior's packaging. So, what's inside? Ta-da! Okay, so, of course, we had to. These are the Christian Dior from that same gold capsule. They are the Dior Dubai Walking in Dior sneakers. And how gorgeous are these shoes? So they've got that same gorgeous embroidery. And then here on the tongue, it says Christian Dior in that beautiful gold. How gorgeous are these sneakers? I'm obsessed. I promise I really do plan on wearing them, but like how beautiful is this? I love all of the detail. The detail is amazing. All this embroidery, like, oh, it's gorgeous. Okay, so moving right along, and believe it or not, we are at the end of the haul. Like, who am I doing these 4-item hauls? I'm a new lady. I've turned over a new leaf for 2021. And here I am. Squeaky chair and all. Okay, so Bianca might cut that part out. Next up, another item from Dior came in this large shopping bag. And so this was my second piece from this collection. I got my tennis shoes last. Those actually just came in the mail, I think 2 days ago, over the weekend. So, okay, I should have opened this earlier. Okay. So, in here, let me get the receipt. So, Dior receipt inside of here. There's that. And then gorgeous Dior packaging. Now, of course, it is repackaged Dior packaging because when I buy something from the store, like I cannot just sit it in my closet fully packaged and not touch it. I also cannot like unbox it immediately. Like I have a process. First of all, I have to like take it out and live with it because what if there's nothing worse than unboxing something on camera and you hate it, because that actually almost happened to me with my Chanel 19 bag. You guys remember the story. Okay, so now to show you what is inside this box. Okay, any guesses? Do you guys like have any idea what this could be? I'm just gonna show it to you. So yeah, this is, like I told you, when I saw this line, I literally like lost my mind. So this is the Christian Dior SS21 Dior, okay, another Dior, Dubai Gold Capsule Collection. And this is the saddle bag. Let's just get into it. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm so obsessed. How gorgeous is this? And I wish it would show up like true brightness on camera, but it doesn't. That's okay. We're just gonna admire. I'm obsessed with this collection, you guys. So this collection actually does have a Lady Dior D-Light, which I actually own in another pattern. It's the Dior and Lights collection D-Light that I have, and I don't think I want that one. And it also came in a book tote, you guys, but literally, like we've talked about this before, I cannot purchase another book tote. Like, I'm going book tote crazy. So this is all of the embroidery. It's absolutely beautiful. So you guys, that wraps up today's Dior haul. I hope you love, love, love all of these items, you guys. I will definitely link as much as I can down in the description box below for you. And I'm gonna be sure to include some mod shots for you guys. You guys, I'm obsessed with all of these pieces. Like I've been saying, new season Dior, new season Bottega, new season Amina Muaddi. It's been amazing. Even a little new season Hermes, like sprinkle it in there. Yes, Jesus. But anyways, you guys, as you also know, it is officially a world, national, international holiday, also known as B-Day or B-Year or B7 months, whatever you want to call it. My birthday, you guys, is coming up August 2nd. I'm so excited. So please be prepared for all of the festivities, the traveling, and the pre-birthday hauls, the post-birthday hauls, the birthdays hauls. You guys know how I do. You know how I get down. I always say that my birthday is the best 6 months of the year, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. Well, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love you so much. Be blessed, and I'll see you in a couple days.